Nadia Khan, the charismatic host of the popular show on Nambardar TV, beamed with excitement as she welcomed the audience to a special episode live from the Lahore Nambardar convention. Nadia introduced the esteemed guests: General Secretary Nambardar Association, Punjab registered, Nambardar Chaudhry, Nazakat Ali Gal, and Central President All Pakistan Nambardar Association, registered Nambardar Raja Azmat Ali Kiani.
They had arrived at the Lahore Nambardar convention, where they received a warm welcome from Chairman All Pakistan Nambardar Association, registered Nambardar A.R. Goria.
Nambardar Raja Safraz Kiani and other Nambardars were also there to greet us.
The convention aimed to bring together Nambardars from across the country to discuss issues, share experiences, and strengthen their community bonds.
The warm welcome and enthusiastic atmosphere set the tone for a productive and enjoyable convention.
As the show concluded, Nadia thanked the guests and the audience, leaving viewers with a sense of excitement and anticipation for the next episode. The image faded to black, but the warmth and energy of the Nambardar convention lingered, inspiring viewers to start their day off right.